Hey guys, for Sonance here, back in our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remake Get Close by Disclosure. So the final result will sound like this.
I'm like, man, cut this shit off.
So if you want the project file, make sure to check my Patreon. You can find it over there. So first we're going to dive into the drums and then the bass line. So let's dive into it. So we start off with the kick drum, sampled from the original, sounding like this, layered with a clap. So the main part of the drums are the groovy percussions, so with a simple open hi-hat loop. Then we start adding the snare, with slightly off the grid. Some more perks, sounding like this. Oh, off the grid as well, to add some more groove to it. And the last thing we're adding is the cowbell, together sounding like this. So then we just add a downlifter to fill up the drop a little bit more. So that's it for drums. So now let's dive the bass line. So now we're gonna dive the bass line, sounding like this. So it's like in a preset. We're gonna go over to the sound waves. We're gonna use the first one for FM modulation, so lower note level. Second one gonna be 2 octaves down, and select FM from A. Just one here. We're gonna use a square wave for the sub oscillator. Just drag it down a little bit. Now we're gonna shape the envelope with a really short decay time. We're gonna add some hold to it and some release. Then we're gonna shape the filter. We'll be using a low 24 with a cutoff on here, envelope onto the cutoff. We're gonna put a drive and fatness quite a bit. Add some mono legato as well. Just add some more slides to the notes. That's for the oscillator, so now we're gonna dive in effects. First some hyperdimension, with a little bit of hyper to open up the bass line a little bit. And sound dimension. Now we're gonna add a chorus with a low pass filter just around here. And some EQing to move the mids of the bass line just around here. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add a filter to it. We're gonna use a performance filter. And as you can hear, this really makes a difference. So shape it like this, a little bit too much. But we're gonna mix it in, so lower the mix. And just find the sweet spot. Just around here sounds fine, I think. So that's it for bassline. Together with the drums, it sounds like this. And that's it for the Disclosure kind of style video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more and the subscribe button. And I'll see you all next videos.